Replacing your RAM key fob battery. A quick guide. Is your 2013-2018 RAM key fob not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit. These models use a CR2032 battery. Changing it is easy and saves money. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the fob casing at the seam. Note the battery orientation. Positive side up, remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 and snap the fob back together. CR2032 batteries are widely available for $50 to $2 at Amazon and Walmart. Use quality batteries to avoid corrosion. If your key fob doesn't work after changing the battery, start by reprogramming it. Cycle the key in the ignition 10 times to reset the system. Also, check your RAM's Uconnect system through the My Dodge app for any available firmware updates that can recalibrate the key fobs. To extend battery life, consider switching to lithium-ion alternatives instead of the standard CR2032. These can last up to 10% longer and perform better in cold temperatures. Look for advanced variants from trusted brands. For additional guidance, turn to online resources. Communities like RAM Forum and Reddit offer user experiences, while YouTube has detailed tutorials. Always search for guides specific to your 2013-2018 RAM model. Looking ahead, aftermarket smart fobs are emerging as a future trend. These allow you to control your RAM using just your smartphone, potentially eliminating the need for physical batteries through NFC and Bluetooth technology. Automotive experts recommend checking your key fob battery annually to prevent failures. Doing the replacement yourself saves about 80% compared to dealership costs. And don't forget to recycle your old batteries through programs like Call to Recycle to help reduce electronic waste.